Hello, welcome to another lecture. So in this lesson we are going to be talking about the hole wizard. So how the hole wizard works is you have two options. The first one is a cosmetic and the second one shows you the detail of the thread. So let's select the hole wizard and you get this option. The first thing you need to do is go under the position and you will select the face where the hole is going to be. You're going to start your hole from. So I'm starting it from this face. I'll select that face. Now it's telling me to place my hole. I'll place my hole on this face, anywhere on this face. Once you place it, then you can add your dimension, something like that, and let's make that 2. So you can add your dimension, and I can also add another dimension from here to this edge to fully constrain it. I'll make that 3. So let's say that's where I want the hole. I'll add my dimension to it. Then the next thing, I'll go into the type tab. Then you will select the type of hole you want. So let's select this, and you select the type. They have the different type of holes over here. I'll select the inch and I'll just select the size, which is 1, and based on what size you select, so SolidWorks will actually give you the right dimensions for it, and you can also change it to whatever you want, the values you want here. And once you're done, you can select the cosmetic option, which is just gonna give you like a representation of the thread. Is not going to cut the actual thread, and you click OK. And that is how you cut a hole into a part. And if I section it, you can see that hole has been cut in there, and we can edit the hole. And these are the options. This is the option for the thread, and this is, you can select through all, and as you can see, that hole is cutting through all. And if I click OK, and you have that. And that is pretty much how you cut a hole in the part, into any part. And another option we have is the thread one. So we'll select that, click OK, and with this one you have to have a cylinder cut. So but since I already have something on the bottom, I'll select that edge. I'll select that edge, and now you can see SolidWorks is cutting the hole in it. And what I need to do is just select, then you just select pretty much your revolution, all this, fill this out to your thread size, whatever thread you want. And I'll select that one. And the next thing we need to do is since we are cutting it, we'll select this cut option and click OK. And now as you can see, SolidWorks actually cut the thread in it, as opposed to what we have on this side. So anyway, that is how the thread and the hole wizard works. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.